different variation.
Hello, editing me here. Do you like this? Do you not like this? Let me know. So yeah, let's continue on.
Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view what I got in my Huda Beauty mystery bag. So right now it's a box, but there's a bag inside, which I will open up and show you the bag in just a moment. I'm actually really excited. This is a little bit of a collab. Why did I say it like that? And why did I do the Italian hands? This is going to be a collab video with Mamalife makeup. She got the small bag, I got the big bag, so if you want to see what she got, definitely go check out her channel. I'll have it linked down below so you can see what came in the small bag, and she's also going to be doing a giveaway over on her channel as well as I am, because I watched a few unboxings and they had some stuff that I already have, so I'm going to be doing a giveaway in this video. So definitely get excited, get ready, give this video a big thumbs up so you can show some support to your favorite girl here, your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I have noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not subscribed to me, so if you are a viewer, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you can just make my day, bring a smile to my face, and if you're already viewing, you might as well subscribe. So that is it, and I'm so excited to open up this box and get into the video, so let's just go. That was a loud click. Okay, so on top we just have the Huda Beauty mystery bundle. Oh, thanks for grabbing a mystery bundle, gorgeous, because we hope you found some new favorites you'll want to stock up on. Enjoy 15% off your next order. Cool. And then just my slip here. Boom. And we have the Huda bag here. Oh, there's a tag on it. 100% cotton. Now, this one came with 7 items, and the tote counts as the 7th item. So here's the tote here. Super cute. I definitely know I'll get use out of this, and you can use this as a shopping bag. This is actually like really good quality too, so it'd be a great shopping bag. Okay, so the bundle is just in here, so here we go. Oh, I got a different variation. I've been seeing everyone get the Rose Gold Remastered palette. I didn't get that. And I didn't get the other, I got a whole different variation. Okay, freaking exciting. Yeah, everyone else got different palettes than this. And like pretty much everyone got those other palettes. But I definitely got a whole new bundle, so that's exciting. This is like so exciting. Like, I really did not expect to have a different variation because everyone on YouTube has the same variation. And here I am with a whole new variation. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the big palette for last because that's like the most exciting part, which is something that I'm definitely giving away. I'm giving away the big palette, which retails for $65, so there's a hint there. And I'm also going to give you all the details that you need to enter eventually, so definitely keep on watching. So the first item is the Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. This is just a primer for your face, so I'm very excited to try this. So this is the little tube here. Oil-free mattifying makeup base. Shake well before use. Oh, okay, so it's a nice liquidy one. Great. Okay, so this is just like the priming essence from Touch in Sol, and I really like that one. I'm actually almost out. So this is kind of what it looks like whenever you squeeze it out. Wow, you can't see anything. It's clear. But, ooh, it smells nice. Or maybe that's what I put on my hand from another video. I can't tell if it has a smell. Okay, well, scratch it. I don't know if there's a smell or not because all I smell is a product that I rubbed on my hand earlier. But yeah, it feels really nice, and I'm so excited to try this out. Next up, I got 2 of her lipsticks. This is both Demi Matte Cream lipsticks. I have the shade Passionista here, and what is this? Shika. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. I'm going to do a little swatch. Packaging is so cute. They smell good. Ooh, this is a very gorgeous shade. And let me go ahead and open up the other one and give this one a swatch as well. I love the packaging on this. Like, this is just so freaking cute. Ooh, this is a pretty nighttime summer pink shade. So here are the two lipstick colors. Very excited to try these. I've never tried any of her lipsticks, so excited about that. I have a sample here, the Gentle, Simple, Effective little sample. I'm pretty sure this is a new product of hers. Pineapple enzyme, papaya enzyme, AHA, BHA, one use. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a new product if I'm not mistaken. So let's get into the eyeshadow palettes. So we have two of the Huda Beauty Obsessions palettes. So this is the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions, and the packaging is actually like really banged up. Like, there's scratches all over it, but it's just the packaging, so that's fine. And here is the palette. I'm almost certain that I've had this palette before and I got rid of it. But yeah, here is the palette. And then we have the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions here. Just a green palette, which looks absolutely stunning. I'm really excited to play with this one for sure. And then the last palette, the Big Mac Daddy. This one's a $65 palette, you guys, and it came in this bag. This was an $89 tote bag. Oh my god, the value just from, you know, having two of these, which these retail for I think $27. I'm not sure how much the lipsticks are, but I think they're like $18 maybe, I'm not sure. But I got the Desert Dusk palette. Now, the packaging on this guy is also kind of like banged up, as you can see. So that's probably why they put him in a mystery box, because, or a mystery bag, because the packaging is like a little bit like, you know, kind of messed up. Looks like it was on a conveyor belt and like scratched and stuff. But who cares, as long as the eyeshadow palette is fine. So I'm going to open it up and make sure all is good and then put it back in the packaging. And I will talk to you guys about rules and how to enter. Here is the palette. And I love this palette. It is so gorgeous. Drop it, drop it, drop it. Okay. And then this is the palette, you guys. So freaking pretty. And here's the little eye card insert that goes in here. I keep mine in my palette because it just looks so cute. But here's the palette. Love it. So we're going to be talking about the giveaway now and what you have to do to enter. So what exactly am I giving away in this video? I am giving away the Desert Dusk palette and the Topaz Obsessions palette, so you will win both of these palettes. Giveaway is going to end 2 weeks from today. I'll have that information down below, and all you have to do to be entered is, of course, be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Follow me over on Instagram, and I will have my social down below. Comment down below what your favorite item was that I got in my mystery bag, and leave your handle down below, your Instagram handle, because I will be announcing the winner over on my Instagram. And you guys, 100% go check out Mamalife makeup. She will be in the description box. She's going to also have a giveaway. She's giving away some items that she got in hers. She got the small bag, like I said. Go see what came in the small bag and definitely go into her giveaway as well. She's an amazing YouTuber and friend. I've known her for a few years now, and she's nothing but kind-hearted and amazing, and she has fantastic quality videos. You guys definitely need to go check her out if you have not. If you have not heard of her, you guys are missing out. Go check her out. Link down below. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for joining me and so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!